Good afternoon, namaste. I have here with me Professor Uma, who has taken off her busy schedule to come and grace this event with us, this very interesting scientific meetings. Professor Uma, aapka se ho? Aapka se ho?
I'm good. Coming out here, that's energy exuding from all over.
Oh, yeah. That's good. So I do have some questions for you. So how do you find this event so far?
Yeah, it's been very interesting, and it was needed. It is needed of an hour because, we had been talking about in isolation. Modern medicine people are talking about modern medicine being good and having no problem. And on the other round, Ayurveda, yoga, Unani, homeopath, they are saying that their pathy is better. So I think it's always better to work in unison, coming together, because as a modern medicine practitioner, I can say that medicines cannot cure, particularly my specialty diseases which I deal with, like autoimmune diseases and rheumatological illnesses. So there comes a stage where patients, we see they have no problem, like joint diseases all normal, joint disease activity, but still patients are in pain and they have lots of complaints, right? So, and then there's something called difficult to treat, particularly we are talking about rheumatoid arthritis, where nothing works, right? And we have such a rich heritage of our pathies. So it's the time where we need to work together and show to the world, look, this is combination or integration is always better than working in isolation.
Working together to be together. That's the whole thing. So I'm actually not from medical or science backgrounds. So, but what you have done is remarkable. So what do you see, and what PRI Patanjali Research Institute is doing is also is a very good movement for India and also for humankind. So where do you see Patanjali Research Institute and PRI in the next 5 years when we marry these two systems together?
I think if the momentum doesn't die, then India with this integrated system of medicine is going to rock. That's what I can say. I mean, yes.
I like that.
Yes, and that would be for the humanity. Actually, what we need to do is removing pain from people's life. Not only making them free of symptoms and disease, but in totality transforming them with so many hurdles around, so many stresses around. So that is why we need to have holistic view of health. So I think once again I'd like to congratulate Patanjali and PSRI for doing a wonderful job.
Bahut Dhanyavad, madam, for a very, very good talk. And so we certainly are looking forward to a lot of marriage, a lot of togetherness between modern science and Ayurveda. Thank you, ma'am.